What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're gonna go out shopping, and I decided to take the Audi out. I got the sensor to work. I got a new one in, I think. I just need to install it yet, but I got the old one to work, so it should be good to drive. So we'll see if we can have some fun tonight. Do some dumb stuff. Get in trouble, maybe. Hopefully not. We'll see. Pretty good. Alright guys, we're gonna do a little pull here, see how it does. It's snowing now, so this might get interesting. Maybe it'll snow enough we can go do some donuts or something. Have some fun. Snow is definitely picking up.
Left onto State Route 15.
It's snowing pretty good, but I gotta say I'm impressed. For the car being pretty much completely straight pipe, there is absolutely no drone at highway speeds. I was expecting it to be a little bit more, but it's pretty good. It drives nice. Definitely glad I went with
In a quarter mile,
engineering.
turn left onto State Route 15 towards Bristol.
So much easier. They just had an attendant in here. Come on. Here we go. Finally. Your ears, people.
At the stop sign, use the left lane to turn onto State Route 15. Turn left.
Damn, I did not know it was supposed to snow tonight. This could get interesting. nobody cares though. This car is so much more fun than it was before. Yeah, we got a whole lake here. Gee whiz. Where are we going? This guy ain't got no lights on. Oh, shit. Where am I going? I think this GPS is full of shit. But we can do this. Never gets old. Sure there was a better way to get in here, but whatever. Made it. Damn. Low car problems. Are we good?
Arrived.
Arrived. Well, we made it. It's our first destination. Car didn't blow up yet. I didn't wreck. Didn't get pulled over. So we're good for now. Got a little tunnel coming up, so you know what that means. It's not really a tunnel, but it'll do. Love it. Never get tired of that. Might be 80 years old still doing that. Yeah, we're gonna go try to find some food now, so. Something's going down here. Got a guy and a cop standing over here on this side. Yeah, I just had a cop riding my ass too, but he pulled off. Thought I was gonna get pulled over for sure. Not today. Damn, something's going on. Alright guys, we just got done eating, and on the way to get food, we passed this tunnel, I guess you could call it. So we're gonna go back there and tear it up and see if we can't get pulled over or, you know, something like that. Hopefully not, but whatever. I guess if it happens, it happens. So. Yes. Definitely gonna turn around and go back there again. Another one. Tired of those pops. Well, we're on the highway now, so I'm just going to take it easy and try not to get pulled over. Alright guys, we just got back home now. We have to record this with an iPhone because our camera battery died. So I believe that's going to be it for this video. We had a good time. Everything we did tonight was legal, definitely. But yeah, it's probably going to be a little bit shorter video, but hope you guys enjoy it. See you next time. Peace.